Okay, so what I want to show you is the LH-30 ball head with a standard Arca Swiss clamp, which doesn't have a panoramic feature. Okay, so if we mount the camera, and if the camera is leveled properly, and we try to do panning, things are fine, no problem at all. But what happens if we are on a slightly sloping terrain, and we want to keep things level, and we start to do panning now. Can you see the problem now? So the camera is actually slanted as you rotate the ball head. So this is the problem with a standard clamp. So now if our tripod is still in the same sloping position, but now we use another LH-30, which is an R version, which has a panoramic clamp on top. It's still Arca Swiss, has a screw knob, has a bubble level inside, and this lever over here is to control the panorama. Okay, you can lock it if you want to stop it from moving. Okay, you can tighten it. Okay, so let's see how it's being used over here. So we can loosen this, and once you are level, tighten it, mount your camera with the Arca Swiss clamp on the Arca Swiss clamp with a plate, and you can actually loosen this, and you can see that now, even though the tripod is sloping, but because the panoramic clamp is leveled from above the ball, so we don't have a problem, versus panning from the bottom. You can see where the problem is. So this is panning from the bottom.